If you're trying to decide which browser to use in 2025, this video will compare Google Chrome with Microsoft Edge and Mozilla Firefox, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses to help you choose the best one for your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons and tutorials. Google Chrome is still the most popular browser, known for its speed, reliability, and extensive library of extensions. It integrates seamlessly with Google services like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar, making it a top choice for users who rely heavily on Google's ecosystem. Chrome also receives regular updates, keeping it secure and packed with the latest features. Microsoft Edge, built on the same Chromium engine as Chrome, offers similar speed and performance, but adds unique features. Vertical tabs, a built-in PDF reader, and smooth integration with Windows 11 make Edge convenient for productivity. It also focuses on energy efficiency and enhanced tracking prevention, which is ideal for laptop users concerned about battery life and online privacy. Mozilla Firefox, in contrast, is widely recognized for privacy and customization. It blocks trackers by default, protects against fingerprinting, and allows users to customize the interface with themes and add-ons. While it may not match Chrome's huge extension library, Firefox is lighter on memory usage and gives users more control over their browsing experience, making it a favorite for privacy-conscious users. In conclusion, the best browser depends on what you value most. Choose Google Chrome for speed, extensions, and Google ecosystem integration, Microsoft Edge for productivity and Windows compatibility, and Firefox for privacy and customization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more browser comparisons and tech tutorials.